SBA Publications.
Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. Myself Sunisati, your mentor, and today we will start the topic alphabet. What are the alphabets? A to Z. There are two types of alphabet, big and small. So let's start it. So students, here are the alphabets. Kids, see, here are two types of alphabets. First one are the capital one and the other one are the small one. So let's read aloud with me. A says apple. A says apple. B says beer. B says beer. C says cat. C says cat. D says duckling. D says duckling. Now E says elephant. E says elephant. F says fish. F says fish. G says grapes. I know you all love to eat fruits. So G says grapes. H says hen. Hen. Now I says igloo. Student, you will feel wonder that this is the house of snow. This is made up of snow and it is known as igloo. Igloo. So I says igloo. J says joker. J says joker, जो आप सभी को हंसाता है. Now K says kite. K says kite. L says lion. L says lion. M says mango, the king of fruit. M says mango. N says nest. N says nest. O says owl. Owl. Now P says parrot. P says parrot. Q says queen. Q says queen. R says rabbit. R says rabbit. S says ship. S says ship. T says tree. T says tree. U says umbrella. We use umbrella in our rainy season. Now V says violin. V says violin. W says watermelon. W says watermelon. Now X says Xmas-tree. Xmas-tree. Y says yak. Y says yak. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Now we have standing lines. In this part we will learn how to make a standing line. So trace over the dotted line. We have to trace the dot line from top to bottom, as I am doing for you. We will join these dots, and after joining each and every dot, we will make a standing line. A standing line. Standing line. So we have to join the dots from top to the bottom. From top to the bottom. You will see when we are joining the dots from top to the bottom, we are making a standing line. A standing line. In a similar manner, you will make each and every joined dotted line, that is a standing line. Now we have another topic, that is sleeping line. So students, standing line means ऐसी लाइंस जो स्टैंड कर रही हो, जो खड़ी हो. एंड द स्लीपिंग लाइंस जो लेटी हो. हम सोते समय लेटते हैं ना. इन अ सिमिलर वे द स्लीपिंग लाइंस आर दोज लाइंस विच आर स्लीपिंग. सो trace over the dotted lines from left to right. Here we have to join the dot, trace the dot from left to right, and we will see we made a sleeping line. So joining the dots with me, you will make a sleeping line. In a similar manner, you will do these all the trace activity by your own. Now we have loops. Loops. So loops are nothing but this kind of structure. So let's make it. Trace over the dotted line to make the loop. So here we have to trace the dot and we have to join the dot to make a loop. So starting with here, joining the dots, then up, then down, then up, then down, then up, then down, and we will see we made a loop. As like I am doing, you will do this exercise in your book. Now we have Smart Shot activity. Trace the lines and complete the picture, also color it. Here we have to trace the lines and the dots. After that, we will complete the picture and then we have to color it. So, we have to color it like this picture. Here is the mushroom and this beautiful insect. So, starting with the tracing dots, here we are tracing the dots. After joining the dot, we will see that we made a mushroom. And this is the bottom of the mushroom and the grasses. And this beetle, this snail. After joining each and every dot of this picture, we will see that we made a sketch of this mushroom and a snail. Now we have to color it. Likewise, it is done here. So, we will take the color. For example, firstly I will take the orange color. Then I will color the mushroom wherever we have to color the orange one. In a similar manner, you will color this picture properly and you will see that we made this picture. So students, in this video, we will do this much only. Let's meet you in the next video. Till then, keep on learning. Take care. Bye-bye.